Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious UK-style scrambled eggs. We'll start by gathering our simple, fresh ingredients. For each serving, you'll need about 2 to 3 large eggs. A small knob of butter, roughly 10 grams, is essential for richness. Optionally, a splash of milk or cream, around 1 tablespoon, can add extra creaminess. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our eggs. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a medium bowl. Season them with a pinch of salt and a good grind of fresh black pepper. Whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk until they are light, airy, and slightly frothy. If you're using milk or cream, add about 1 tablespoon now and whisk it in thoroughly. This aeration is key for a fluffy texture. Time to cook. Melt a generous knob of butter, about 10 grams, in a non-stick pan over a gentle, medium-low heat. Pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for a few seconds until the edges just begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, folding it over. Continue this gentle folding until the eggs are creamy and just set. The secret to perfect scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. Remove the pan from the heat just before the eggs are fully set. They should still look slightly wet. The residual heat will continue to cook them to a beautiful, creamy consistency. Serve your delicious scrambled eggs immediately on warm, buttered toast. A sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley adds a lovely finish. Enjoy your perfect breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.